Get ready for the easiest and healthiest salad dressing there probably is in existence. It is completely fat-free, high protein, and still, get this, absolutely delicious. The full recipe is in the description, so check that out and let me know in the comments what you think if you make it at home. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for my new recipes. We're gonna start with fat-free, plain Greek yogurt. That is how this dressing is nice and creamy. We're gonna add some honey and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're also going to add in some salt and pepper along with some Dijon mustard and then some garlic powder. Now after you mix this together, it is very thick, and I will say this is delicious to use as a dip, but to make it a salad dressing, we're actually just gonna use some water. It really is that simple, just to thin it out. It doesn't hurt the flavor, it just helps this get to a nice pourable consistency to use as a dressing. So that's it. You can keep it in the fridge, put it on the salad of your choosing, and it is really delicious, high protein, fat-free salad dressing. I told you it was that easy. The fact that this is a fat-free salad dressing that still has so much flavor is incredible and really hard to beat in my opinion. Honestly, it's delicious. I love salads, but I hate how fattening salad dressings are because obviously they are oil-based. You need that oil to get that emulsion and to get that nice, thick, creamy salad dressing texture. So by using the Greek dressing, which is nice and creamy, has a lot of tang to it, thinning it out with just a little bit of water, which no, does not hurt the flavor. It just gets it to a pourable consistency. And then amping up the flavors with the lemon juice, the Dijon, the honey, salt, pepper, and garlic. It plays so well together. It's balanced, it's creamy, it's delicious. A true win for salad dressing if you ask me. Once again, full recipe is in the description, so go check that out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.